Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the fifth chapter of Social Science 2, Public Expenditure and Public Revenue. Here we are discussing some questions and answers from this chapter. What is public revenue? What are the sources of public revenue? The income of the government is known as public revenue. Income of the government is known as public revenue. What are the sources of public revenue? That is tax revenue and non-tax revenue. Then we have to discuss what is tax and what are the types of taxes. What is tax? Tax is a compulsory payment to the government by the public for meeting expenditure towards welfare activities, developmental activities, etc. Taxpayer, who is taxpayer? The person who pays tax is taxpayer. Okay. Then types of taxes. There are mainly two types of taxes, direct tax and indirect tax. What is direct tax? Taxpayer undertakes the burden of tax is direct tax. And what about indirect tax? The tax burden can be shifted from one person to another. Such type of tax is indirect tax. Then, which are the major direct taxes in India? Two. First one is personal income tax. Second one, corporate tax. Then, list down the features of direct taxes. Personal income tax and corporate tax. In the case of personal income tax, imposed on the income of individuals, and tax rate increases as per income increases. Tax is applicable to the income that is above a certain limit. Then corporate tax. Tax is imposed on the net income or profit of the companies. That is corporate tax. Then next we have to discuss about indirect tax. What is indirect tax? And which is the indirect tax system existing in India? Indirect tax means the tax burden can be shifted from the taxpayer to another person. And here in India, goods and services tax, that is known as GST. GST is the major indirect tax system existing in India. Okay. And we can look detailing about GST. GST is an indirect tax started in India on 1st July 2017. Unified tax system in India, and taxes are levied at different stages starting from production to final consumption of goods and services. Tax is imposed only on the additional value added in each stages. Then we have to look about different types of GST. There are three types of GSTs are there: central GST, state GST and integrated GST. What about central GST? The tax is imposed by the central government on goods that is central GST. And state GST, tax imposed by the state government. And integrated GST means tax for interstate trade and collected by central government. State gets equal share. That is integrated GST. Okay, dear children, you have to study all these important questions for this chapter. Okay, thank you.